Hello. Yeah, maybe we have this problem, or maybe this fix will also help your problem in your car. I lock the car and check every door if it's all locked, but only this door is open, and only this door is open. There must be problem with this door, and no matter I check it here, it's all closed. And let's do it again. It's open, and let's close it, and it's open. Here it's closed, and here is open. But what helped me is this extra hole here. You see this moment? It's here. You see it's a red color. I think it's the lock mechanism, I don't know. And just push it and you hear the sound, and when you hear the sound, know there's something going on inside. Let's check again. It's open, and this door, and it's open. Try the key, and it's locked. Yeah, it's locked. And let's check it again. It's closed. Check it again. It's open. Let's close it. And yeah, this work. It seems to work. Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, let's check it again. Time, open, close. Yeah. It's working. I'm happy. Yeah, maybe this could also be your problem. And yeah, maybe there's some sensor, maybe it's not working fine, or I don't know. Just push that red button and it might help fix your car also. Now let's check it again. This hole, and yeah, this hole, this red button, you have to push it. I think it's much better if you have an air spray, you air spray it, or maybe the WD-40, maybe it also helps.